have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release all keys as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up. Let's choose recovery, the first option, and press volume down to confirm it. Right now the device is booting into the Android recovery mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And this is the Android recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to choose wipe data factory reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to select yes, delete all user data and press power key to confirm it. That's it, the device is whipping all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps, so the phone is performing the hard reset operation and formatting all stuff. And as soon as Android recovery pops up again on the screen, simply press power key to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done, and as you may notice there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.